Hello everyone, and in this video we are now going to explore how to use the question mark in your work. Again, similar to the exclamation mark and a full stop, it may initially appear simple, but there are some things we must consider. So what are the rules when we use a question mark? Well, it must always be placed at the end of a sentence for a direct or other indirect question. So that type of sentence is an interrogative sentence if we want to complexify this a little bit more. So in the same way a policeman would interrogate you. A question mark must replace a full stop at the end of a sentence. So where are we? So there's no need for a additional piece of punctuation like a full stop or a comma to go before and after it, because the full stop indicates the end of a main clause or a sentence. Due to the fact the question mark ends a sentence, as I said to you already, words after it must therefore be capitalized. So, example here, how is that fair? It isn't. So, just like the full stop and exclamation mark, if we use the question mark, the next word thereafter must always be capitalized. And that's it. Nice and simple, but once again, if we make simple errors, it's going to really impact on the overall mark and the quality of our writing. So, thank you. Well done.